is Monday morning, and I just got back from, my hair's all messed up. It's pretty windy out there today. Anyways, I just got back from going to the grocery store. I went to Target today because I had to get 3M command strips, and Hy-Vee does not have them. So then I had to go to Target instead. So I picked up a few things for the week. I do need to go to Aldi to pick up chicken and lettuce. And I think I'm going to wait to do that until after I pick Emily up from school today. So the girls are back at school today after a long week of being out for spring break last week. It's the last quarter of the year. So we've got, it's getting to be almost summertime. It's craziness. But yeah. So today I am working on decorating my living room for spring and my hutch area, and then hopefully tomorrow I will be able to work on my dining room, get that done to share with you all. And let's see, I'm trying to think. Oh, I bought some jewelry today. I was actually looking for a purse. I really need to update my purse because I hate my purse so much, but I can't find anything that I like. I need a purse that I can put over my shoulder and not just have to hang it on my wrist or, you know, hold it all the time. So yeah, I'm having a hard time finding something, and I've been looking for a really long time, so I don't know. Target has one that might work, but I don't know. We'll see. Alright, so I bought myself some earrings and a new bracelet, so I'll show those to you. So here's the bracelet I bought. This week at Target they have buy one piece of jewelry, get one 50% off. So I picked up this for summertime. I love it. They're all separate, but I love the layered look. So this is pretty, I love these for sure. Not sure about this one so much, but I'm loving the other three for sure. Anyway, we'll see how this one goes. I'm not real sure. And then this, I just got some simple studs. Simple, what do you call it? Silver ball, and then a little diamond-y thing. This is like a teardrop one. So these are just like basics. These are like the type I like to wear on an everyday basis. So I love that these were super tiny. So I can put those in my second hole, which I hardly ever put anything in my second hole. And I'll probably wear them with this. So I'm excited about that. Oh, I also picked up Neutrogena's powder foundation because I'm out of mine. Right now I'm actually using the Milani. I need to get to Ulta and actually buy a good one from like Too Faced or something like that. But I'm not gonna have, that's not gonna happen today. So I'm basically hitting pan on my old one, so I needed one of those. And I was also hitting pan on my bronzer. This one's by Rimmel in the color Sun Bronze. I really love this stuff. It's only like $4 and it's like perfect for my skin tone. It looks really dark, but it does not come off like that on your skin. I really like this stuff. So very excited. So that's what I picked up. And then of course I had to pick up the command strips. And then the other thing I picked up was these super sticky lint rollers. Zoe lint rolls her clothes every single morning before she goes to school. So we go through the lint rollers. So yeah. So that's what I picked up. Now I need to get started on working on my living room. It is already 10:30. I'm going to probably work for about a half hour, then have an early lunch today, and then pick up again after I pick up Emily from school. I'm thinking that's my plan for today. So, wish me luck, and I will check in with you later. living room. I have it decorated, I have it filmed and photographed, so that is awesome. It is now almost 6 o'clock, and I need to run to Aldi here real quick to get stuff for dinner. I went to the grocery store this morning, but I didn't really pick up like the meat items because I went to Target, and Aldi's prices are much better. So I need to go pick up a few things at Aldi. Zoe's going to come with me, and then I'm going to come home, get that in the oven. I think we're just going to have chicken and potatoes tonight for dinner. And then going to do some stuff on the computer, get video edited for tomorrow, and hopefully get a whole bunch of little piddly things done that I need to get done. And there's a Zoe.
I haven't been in the vlogs for a long time.
I know. So, well, that is what we're going to do right now. And yeah, so we will see you in a bit. What are you doing up there? Are you looking at the window? Did you have a good night's sleep last night? Huh? Yeah, you're so cute. Are you gonna go eat your breakfast? Are you gonna go eat breakfast? Not right now, huh? Gonna wait for Finny to get done? Yeah. Finny, are you having breakfast? Oh, is that good stuff? Oh, yummy, yummy. Are you going to share your breakfast with me? Good morning. It is Tuesday morning, and it is almost 9 o'clock already. And I am actually on my way over. I need to leave in a couple minutes to go get my mom, who's at my sister's house right now. And we are going to go to Goodwill together. So that's exciting. My sister's not coming because she has an appointment with somebody for one of her boys today. So I'm not really sure what's going on there. But yeah. So after Goodwill, I'm not sure if we're going to go anywhere else. I wouldn't mind going to Michael's or something like that. And then I need to come home and do some work. I need to decorate my hutch, which I have almost done, and then work on my dining room for my spring decor. And then I think I'll be pretty much done with my spring stuff. I am going to do my bedroom also, but I'm going to wait, I think, to do that until the end of April. So that's going to be more of a spring-summer look, I think. So we shall see. So I guess I'll check in with you later. Bye. Hi everyone, it is Wednesday today, and I am sitting outside of Hobby Lobby. I'm going to run in here real quick and hopefully find a few things to help me decorate for spring for my dining room. I don't know what I'm looking for. We'll find out. I might not come up with anything, but we'll see. I haven't been here in a really long time, so I'm excited. And it seems as if winter has found us once again. It is cold, and there's supposed to be rain and sleet and snow in the forecast for the next couple days. So delightful, just delightful. But we shall soldier on, and soon spring will be here. All right, I will talk to you soon. Bye. All right, so I'm done with Hobby Lobby, and it has gotten even colder, and the wind has come up, and it is actually snowing right now. I don't know if you'll be able to see, but I will show you. Can you see the snow in the background? Whipping past my truck. I'll see if I can get a better view for you. But it's coming down. So I found some really cool things at Hobby Lobby. I splurged a little bit because I really wanted something new to go behind my dining room table on that wall that's like super big, but I never know what to put there. So I bought 2 things to hang there and to take down the faux barn door that I've got up there that's been there for like a year and a half, because my ultimate goal for that space is to build myself a plate rack, and I'm hoping that will happen very soon. But in the meantime, I just need something new. So what I bought was something I can use in other parts of the house, no problem, once I finally get my plate rack, or my plate rack built. So right now I am going to head home. It's already 12 o'clock. I am starving. I am going to continue my cheating for the day and go to Subway and pick up a sandwich because that sounds delicious right now. And then I will go home and do some more stuff around the house. So I'm going to try not to take a nap today. I'm not sure if that'll happen or not, but I'm not going to have a whole lot of time once I actually get home to take a nap before I have to go pick up Emily anyways. And also I need to pick up Corbin today. Carrie has got an apartment search going on with Mom right now, and they have a 2:30 appointment. So I will need to get Corbin off the bus at 3:10. So that is the plan for the rest of the day. And then, yeah, there's nothing else on the books after that. So I'm hoping to get some filming done. I finished my hutch this morning, so that is ready to be shared. I just need to film it now. And then I'm hoping to share that sometime next week. So very excited. Things are moving along. It's already afternoon, and it is not very pleasant outside. I went and picked up Emily, went over to my sister's pickup, get Corbin off the bus, went to the gas station, and came back. It has actually stopped snowing now. It's about 4 o'clock or so, but while I was out, it was snowing the whole time. On the way to Emily's school, the roads hadn't been plowed yet at all, and there was probably 1.5 inches of snow on the ground. And it was terrible. I was shaking so bad by the time I got to her school. But then from there, I got onto a more of a main road, and got right behind like a snowplow, like 3 cars behind a snowplow. So from there, it was relatively okay. We were fine after that, but I was just like, oh man, this is terrible. I don't know what it is about driving that truck. It just makes me so nervous when it's in the snow. I have no problems driving it any other time, but in the snow, I just like it so much. But anyways, so right now it is just a big gloppy mess outside, and we probably have about 2 inches of snow already. So that's just craziness. So yeah, so I need to film this afternoon. Still, I have not got to that yet. My hutch that I put together, and then I want to start working on my living room. I'm not sure if I'm going to start decorating in there, or if I'm going to go sew a table runner for my table. I can't decide which one I want to do first. So tomorrow I'm hoping to get that room completed, and then I'll be done with my spring decorating, except for my bedroom. But I'm going to wait a little longer for that, like till after Easter, to do that room, because that will most likely be spring, summerish, like early summer. So anyways, I'm not real sure. But anyways, I'm just rambling today. What else was I going to tell you? Oh, I'm wearing my new earrings. I don't know if you'll be able to see them. I was actually surprised the second set went in so well. But I love them. I think they're so pretty. And then I'm also wearing my new bracelets that I picked up the other day. I love these too. Both of these are from Target. They have them on sale this week. So I was very excited about that. I haven't bought new jewelry in a really long time. And in the summertime, I am like a bracelet girl. Bracelet and simple little earring studs. That's my thing. I could wear bracelets on both. I love to layer the bracelets. Like, bracelets are my thing. I love bracelets. So, yeah. I keep trying to, like, do necklaces and stuff, but I'm just not a necklace person. I think they look silly on me. Does anyone else feel that way? I don't know. It's weird. So, bracelets are my thing. So, that's kind of a fun thing to get a new set every now and then. So very excited about that. So I'm gonna get going and get some work done. So I will talk to you in a bit. Bye. Good morning, everyone. It is Thursday morning, and it is crazy outside. We got some snow yesterday, the big, wet, fluffy stuff, and then overnight it snowed some more. I'm not quite sure how much more, a little bit, but it was mostly like ice pellets and sleet last night. But it did turn over to snow for a little while. So we probably have about another inch or so. The girls have school canceled for today. I'm not sure about volleyball. That might still happen later tonight. I'm not sure. But yeah, so we're just... Okay, that's enough. Nice, fella! Here we go, cross court! Yeah.
Zeke!
Alright.
Boo!
You got it, Zoe! Alright, go! Let's go! There we go. Hey!